Hi there, let's take a look at completing step 2 from the chapter 5 problem solve. So step 2 asks us to define the name for the range and to use the names that occur at the top of the columns. So I'm going to hop over to our spreadsheet here. You have to select the range that it tells you. I've already done that. From the formulas tab, we'll use create from selection. And then you have to make sure that you choose, you want the top row, but you don't want the left, right? Because the names are in the top, at the top of the column. They're not along the left-hand side. So make sure that's okay. And then click OK. And then if you want to see all of the names, you can just click on Name Manager. And I have done this a couple times, so you can see I've got lots of names in there. But just to double check that everything turned out okay, you should go ahead and look at that. And then proceed, and you'll use those names later on in the following steps.